If you're considering using Western Union for your money transfers, here are 12 things you need to know before you make the decision. In comparison to competitors like PayPal or Wise, Western Union has some key advantages, but also some drawbacks. Let's dive right in so you can make an informed choice. First, Western Union is widely known for its global reach, with over 200 countries and territories covered. Whether you're sending money to a family member in Asia, Africa, or Latin America, Western Union is a reliable choice for cross-border transfers. Next thing to consider is their fees. While Western Union has a reputation for high fees, especially when sending money for cash pickup, their fees can vary greatly depending on the destination and payment method. So it's important to compare costs before sending. The third thing you should know is transfer speed. Western Union is fast. Transfers to a bank account can take from a few minutes to a few days, but cash pickups at locations can be instant, which makes it stand out compared to other services like Wise, which takes longer for some international transfers. The fourth thing is the payment options. You can pay with a debit or credit card or bank transfer. However, when you use a credit card, you'll face extra charges. This is something to keep in mind if you're trying to minimize costs. Another point to remember is Western Union's cash pickup option. This is a huge plus, as it allows recipients to pick up the money in person at thousands of locations worldwide. This feature is a key differentiator from apps like PayPal, where cash withdrawal options are limited. Next, let's talk about Western Union's mobile app. It's convenient, but not always the easiest to navigate. You can send money directly from your phone, but the app is less intuitive compared to competitors like Wise, which offers a more streamlined user experience. The seventh thing to know is their exchange rates. Western Union has a margin on exchange rates, which means they might not be as favorable as those of competitors like Revolut or Wise. Always check the exchange rate before sending to avoid surprises. Next, we need to mention their customer service. Western Union provides 24/7 support, but reports suggest that their customer service can be slow to respond at times. If you're looking for quick help, you might find faster service with PayPal. Another thing is security. Western Union has been around for over 150 years, and it's generally safe to use. However, they have had issues with fraud in the past. Unlike newer services, Western Union might not offer the same level of fraud protection features. The 10th point is account setup. You'll need to provide some personal information, including proof of identity, especially for larger transfers. This process can be more cumbersome than newer services like Venmo, where the setup is often quicker. Another thing to consider is Western Union's network of agents. While you can send money to agents around the world, finding a nearby agent can sometimes be challenging, especially in more remote areas. Compare that to services like PayPal, where you can send money directly to a bank account with fewer physical limitations. Next up is Western Union's loyalty program. They offer rewards for frequent users, which can help lower transfer fees. This is something you don't often see with competitors like Wise, which lacks a reward system. And finally, Western Union is a solid option if you're sending larger sums of money. For transfers over $500, it's one of the few services that can offer in-person pickup, and it's a good alternative to PayPal's limitations on large transfers. Western Union can be a good option for your money transfer needs, especially if you value in-person pickup and fast transactions. However, if you're looking for lower fees, better exchange rates, and a more intuitive app experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.